So let's look at how we can play back some of the media in our media players. First of all, one thing I want you to notice is that one of the clips in here, and only one, is going to have a marker below it. Notice how all of these have, other ones have gray backgrounds, but this one up here has a blue background. On some systems, it might be an orange background. That is the clip that is currently queued for playback. And you can see this also in the multi-viewer. You know, so if I click on this clip here, I see the first frame of this clip appear in the multi-viewer. Don't use the white frame as the indicator for which clip is going to play, because it is possible to select multiple clips at once. Just as an example, if I select all of these, you notice they all have white frames, but this one, it has the blue background letting me know that this is the clip that's going to play onto the output of my system. So now to play this, we can either do it manually or use autoplay. At the bottom of our media player controls are our transport controls. So I've got stop and play. We can just click on these buttons and you can see the clip playing. Let's put it on preview so we can see it a little better. So you can see there it is playing. We also have next and previous clips. You can use this to navigate around. There's also a loop function. So if this is turned on, then whenever you play a clip and it reaches the end, it's just going to start over and keep looping. We have playback speed. So at 100%, we'll play at normal speed, but it is possible to either play clips faster or slower by adjusting this value. And this last icon adjusts how all these clips are going to play. When it's gray, each clip will be treated individually and it's going to play on its own. If this is blue, then it is going to be treated as a playlist of all of the clips together. In other words, it's going to start from the first clip, play to the next one, play to the next one, and only when it gets to the end is it going to stop playback. Or if loop is on, it will get to the end and loop all the way back to the beginning. So this is just a determination of, do you want to play just a clip at a time, or do you want to treat all of the clips together in the media player as one giant clip? I'm going to leave everything in just non-loop mode and single play by default. So we can do it manually, but a powerful feature is to use what is called autoplay, and that is this checkbox over here. So if I turn this on, now the clip will automatically play when it is brought to program out. You'll notice that I currently have my clip queued up. It's on preview. And so now if I bring it to air, I'm going to click the auto button. You can see the clip has automatically played on its own, and we can see the playback occurring as it goes across the bottom of the screen. When it reaches the end, it is automatically going to transition back out to whatever is on preview. And you're free to change your preview channel at this point. But in this case, we're just going to go back to this title that we see. And there it is finished. And when the autoplay is done and it is transitioned out, it is going to cue the next clip in the playlist for you to play next. And this makes it very easy. If you organize everything you need in order, it will play from clip to clip to clip as you go through and bring these clips to program. So just as another example, I'm going to do an auto. You see now this clip is playing. Let's put myself on preview so you can see that when it's done, it's going to transition to me back on program out. It's almost at the end of the clip. And here it now transitions out, and the next clip in the media player is queued. The last thing I want to show is that we do have some basic editing capability in here as well. We can grab this scrub bar at the bottom and move through the clip, and this will allow you to preview a clip as well, but you can also use the set in and set out to subdivide down the clip to a smaller chunk. Maybe you don't need the whole clip, maybe you just need a part of the clip. You can go in here and say, let's say the clip is going to start here and I want it to end here, and now it's only going to play this range of the clip when it is manually played, or you use autoplay to bring it to air.